Are you looking for the best back hair shavers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best back hair shavers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, MANGROOMER, Ultimate Pro Back Hair Shaver. This is undoubtedly the best back hair shavers on the list in terms of features as well as sales figures. You can reach any desired area of your back effortlessly. It is extra long and wide and you can adjust the position and lock it at any angle. There is also a power burst button to shave long and coarse hair comfortably. The attachments are interchangeable to shave long and short body hair easily. The neck is flexible and shock absorbing, and cleaning and maintenance are super convenient. You can adjust it at any length and position with the instant lock button. At number 4, MANGROOMER Do-It-Yourself Electric Back Hair Shaver. This is another back hair shave from MANGROOMER, which is the most reputed brand in this line of products. You can shave off back hair effortlessly and the unique design is suitable for all men of different sizes and shapes. You can reach out to all back area at different desired angles. Moreover, it looks sleek and it is compact and lightweight. The blade is extra wide and therefore, with a few strokes, the shaving can be done completely. The handle lock is adjustable and you can shave at varying lengths. At number 3, MANGROOMER Professional Electric Back Hair Shaver. This is one of the best back hair shavers in terms of features it provides. It locks and extends at any length and there is a lock button for the same. It is easy to clean and the shaving experience will be smoother. It has maximum coverage and with a few strokes, you can shave completely. You are going to have the maximum comfort thanks to its ergonomic, non-slip rubberized grip. The charging takes up to 3 hours and it is a worth buying product. At number 2, Bro Shaver Back Hair Shaver. This back shaver comes with comfy cloud shaving technology that prevents any skin irritation even when you opt for dry shaving. The refilling of the blade is cheaper and it is a double-edged razor which is the safest. Moreover, the razor is of high quality to sustain for a lifetime. You can do quick shaving without any cuts or burns and the blades stay sharp for a longer duration. It is water resistant and the handle is comfortable to grip. At number 1, BAKblade Back Hair Removal and Body Shaver. The company offers 60 days money back guarantee and therefore, you can try this product out without any tension. It is an improved back shaver with new ergonomic S-shaped handle with which reaching out to the most difficult areas is easy. The shave is deep and close and you will not feel any irritation. The blade cartridges are safe and perfectly engineered to have a smooth shaving experience. You can even shave chest area and other body parts comfortably. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.